Good morning, everybody. Mr. Crow over there. So, the modifications have begun. No, not really. Well, maybe just a little bit. We got the old race Jeep up on jack stands, so I could kind of try and show this a little bit better. We did finally go ahead and do the mid-muffler delete. So I've been wanting to do this since we got the thing, and you know, I can usually kind of cobble together this kind of stuff myself, but I was pondering it for a while, and I'm like, you know, I think this machine, you know, which is very expensive when it was new, probably up around 80 grand, probably deserves a little bit better than just a cobbled together exhaust system. So took it down to my friends at Top Gun in Sumner, Washington, and they were really excited to do this project. They did a 3-inch pipe off the, I guess you'd call them collectors, coming from the stock exhaust up front. So this is 3-inch. They put in, I wanted an X pipe in there. I know a lot of people just do straight pipes, but we went with the X. And like I said, this is all 3-inch. For some reason, Jeep uses an oddball, goofy exhaust size on the SRTs, which I think is 2 3/4. So 3-inch actually works okay because it kind of slips over the outside. They did a really nice job of welding it up and redoing the hangers. Couldn't be happier. Alright, so if you're not bored enough yet, let's go out and make some noise. So hopefully that all actually showed up on camera a little bit. We'll leave the camera running for a minute so that you can hear what it sounds like inside. Try and get out of this mucky gravel without destroying our wash job or getting smashed into. noise, I think, is a nice compromise. You can definitely tell it's louder than stock, but it's not so loud that you're regretting it when you're stuck in traffic or anything like that. And obviously doing the mid-muffler delete is substantially cheaper than many of the exhaust systems that are available for these SRT Grand Cherokees that are out there. I've just been leaving it in sport mode. No paddle shifters or nothing.